Hello and welcome to this channel. Today I'll be bringing you an inspiring story of revival and national pride. Ghana's mega shipyard, which is located in Tema, originally built by the visionary leader Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, has finally been restored to its former glory, and that is something worth celebrating. This monumental facility in Tema was once a symbol of Ghana's industrial ambitions and had fallen to disuse for many years, but now, thanks to the dedicated efforts and strategic leadership, is back to full operation, ready to propel Ghana's maritime sector into a new era of efficiency and growth. So join me as I'll be exploring this monumental revival story. And as always, remember to hit the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you haven't. Let's get straight into this one. This Million Shipyard project is very significant to the country, with the current restoration being a massive undertaking by this current government, because most of the projects of old, which was constructed by the former president Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, have been left to rot, with many of them also being a pillar that the nation stands on, especially when it comes to hydroelectricity and many others. Developmental projects like the Million Shipyard was one of his vision. Let's first travel back in time to see the origins. As earlier stated, it was established under the pioneering guidance of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana's first president and a champion of African self-reliance. The shipyard was conceived as a cornerstone of the nation's industrial revolution. In the post-independence era, Kwame Nkrumah envisioned a Ghana that could stand tall on the global stage, not just politically but economically as well. The shipyard was designed to handle the repair, maintenance and overhaul of ships, serving as a vital hub for the maritime activities in West Africa. It represented more than just infrastructure. It was a bold statement of Ghana's capability to harness its resources and also build a self-sustaining economy. Kwame Nkrumah did not envision Ghana as a developing country. He already saw Ghana as a country with full potential and was at par with any country in the world. Hence, his projects and determination had that zeal to it. And this infrastructure was part of his vision. It was part of his foresight, as he saw that creating such a facility boosted the nation further. This project highlighted his deep understanding that a strong maritime sector creates employment and also foster technological advancement. Over the decades, however, the shipyard faced numerous hurdles, including economic shifts, maintenance neglect, and also operational downtimes, which in the long run left it non-functional for extended periods. These challenges mirrored broader national struggles, but they also underscored the enduring value of Kwame Nkrumah's legacy, a legacy that refuses to fade away. And if the nation embodies this vision, we are going to see a prosperous country. In a monumental revelation that came recently, it has sparked widespread optimism. The Minister for Transport has shared profound insights into the shipyard's revival during a key government forum. He was speaking in Accra on September 17, 2025, and made known that there's a strategic vision at play with this particular project, which is the Million Shipyard. Being dormant for so long, it is now fully operational once more. His administration painted a vivid picture of resilience and strategic planning, and they've been working to this restoration, making sure that it aligns perfectly with Ghana's ongoing push for economic revitalization. And that is to tell you that Kwame Nkrumah had a lot of plans that could have taken Ghana to new heights. One of the brilliant insights from the minister was that they recognized that the revival of such an asset isn't just about fixing machinery. It will be reigniting the spirit of innovation that Kwame Nkrumah instilled in the nation. He highlighted how the directive from the President John Dramani Mahama served as a catalyst for this turnaround, demonstrating the transformative vision that this current administration is putting in place. This announcement is more than an update. It shows that the initial spirit of Ghana is alive. It's also a testament to honoring foundations while adapting them to modern needs. The minister's perspective underscores a key principle. Infrastructure like the Million Shipyard is essential for the national security, economic stability, and regional influence in maritime affairs. Delving into the nuts and bolts of this restoration, the rehabilitation process has been nothing short of comprehensive and forward-thinking. At the heart of the upgrade is a redesign and reconstruction of Dock 1 main pump, and a critical component that has drastically improved docking times. There is efficiency gained. Ships that once waited idly can now be served swiftly, reducing turnaround time and also boosting overall productivity. This is a mechanical fix and also a strategic enhancement that will be positioning the shipyard as a competitive player in the global shipping industry. Equally impressive is the reactivation of Dock 2, which has been brought back to full operational capacity after years of inactivity. The minister brilliantly pointed out that such reactivations are pivotal for handling larger vessels and also more complex overhauls, ensuring that this facility will meet the demands of contemporary maritime trade. Beyond the docks, the rehabilitation extended to office facilities, creating modern workspaces that support administrative efficiency and also employment well-being. These improvements reflect a holistic approach where every aspect from pumps to paperwork has meticulously been addressed to create a seamless operational ecosystem. The result has been a shipyard that's not only functional but optimized for excellence, embodying the ingenuity that led to its creation in the first place. One of the most exciting outcomes of this restoration is the profound economic ripple effect, particularly in the job creation scene and also in community upliftment. Because being one of the highlight projects of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, it shows that Ghana's hope is alive. The minister offered a keen insight into how these enhancements has already begun generating new employment opportunity, breathing life into the local economies around Tema. Skilled workers, engineers, technicians, and support staff are finding roles in the revitalized hub, fostering a sense of purpose and financial stability for their families. This also aligns with the broader national goals of reducing unemployment and building a skilled workforce capable of sustaining industrial growth. Moreover, the shipyard's return to operational strength strengthened Ghana's position in international trade, as it can now attract more vessels for repairs, thereby increasing revenue from services and related industries. The interconnected benefits, which is enhanced shipyard capability, means better support for fishing fleets, cargo ships, and even naval vessels, all contributing to the food security, export growth, and the defense readiness. The current government's vision here is clear, and it is inspiring. Reviving the shipyard isn't just an isolated project, it will be a multiplier for economic prosperity, echoing Nkrumah's dream for a Ghana that thrives through its own industriousness. The restored Tema shipyard holds immense promise for Ghana's maritime future. With its upgraded facilities, it can expand services to include advanced shipbuilding, specialized repairs, and even training programs for the next generation of maritime professionals. The minister envisioned a facility that not only serves domestic needs but also attracts international clients, fostering partnerships with Africa and beyond. This could lead to technological transfers, joint ventures, and increased foreign exchange earnings, solidifying Ghana's role in the blue economy. Furthermore, the potential of this project is limitless, and this restoration marks the beginning of a new chapter in Ghana's industrial story. This exploration of Ghana's mega shipyard restoration is clear that this isn't just about bringing back a facility, it's about reclaiming a piece of national soul, which was built by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, restored under the visionary leadership of the current president, and now poised for greatness. The Tema shipyard symbolizes resilience, progress, and pride. Share your thoughts on this massive restoration of the Tema shipyard, which was built by none other but by the former president, Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. If you enjoyed this video also, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more stories of Ghana's triumphs. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, check this next video out.